Hello. Our latest South American satellite picture shows the way the weather is divided across the continent at the moment. Clear skies to the south, thicker cloud to the north, and here the continuation of some heavy downpours of rain, particularly once again across northern Brazil, but also in to the south and on the tail end of a weather front. I think we're talking about a very wet day on Monday for Rio de Janeiro. Sunshine though across Uruguay and for northern Argentina. Sunny skies there in Buenos Aires. Some heavier rain again across Ecuador and parts of Colombia too, and that will come with a risk of some localised flooding. It does look clearer along the east coast of Brazil for the likes of Salvador and Carvelas. Here we go though, northern Argentina in the sunshine. That extends across into much of Chile as well, but there will be a front pushing into the far south, bringing a little snow into the southern Andes. The outlook for the coming days, it's quite a slow job to clear that rain from Rio Friday and Saturday, finally seeing the prospects becoming drier. For Central America, actually quite a lot of sunshine in the next couple of days and dry weather, but some heavier showers possible across Belize and Guatemala on Monday, slightly more isolated further south for Nicaragua and Costa Rica. The odd downpour can't be ruled out across Cuba and Jamaica either. But in terms of the outlook, it does feature a lot of fine weather for the coming days. Still a risk of a shower for Havana midweek. Hello. Temperatures are set to plunge across Eastern Asia in the coming days, thanks to air sinking out of Russia, across China, and then eventually into the Korean Peninsula and Japan. Quite a lot of cloud around here in the meantime. Some rather grey and dank conditions on offer on Tuesday with some drizzly outbreaks of rain. Some sunshine to the north though across Beijing. Rather more overcast skies I think for Seoul. Could get some brighter conditions across much of Japan before we see the colder air extending in and potentially bringing some greyer weather along with it. Sunshine though for Laos, for much of Vietnam and Cambodia on Tuesday. A few heavier showers across southern Vietnam. Still some intense downpours to come though across Malaysia and Indonesia. Take a look at those temperatures for Osaka and for Seoul, tumbling away in the coming days. Sub-zero, -7 for Seoul on Thursday. For Australia though, the heat building once again, starting off in the west. The heat wave will extend across South Australia into Victoria and New South Wales through the next couple of days. Adelaide at 35 degrees already on Tuesday, nearly 10 degrees above average for the time of year. For New Zealand though, it's a wet and windy picture across the northern half of the country on Tuesday, with a risk of some flooding and especially perhaps for coastal areas in the east thanks to high tides. It does look like there's some quieter weather though and some warmer conditions to come in the forecast.